This demo shows an example of using FastPass Identity Verification Client (IVC). The process shows the user's identity being verified by the service desk analyst. Here, the user is calling the service desk to get a new password. The analyst looks up the user in IVC and is presented with a highlight noting facts about the calling user. For example, the fact that the user has not logged on for the last 14 days. It also states what workstation the end user has logged on to. The analyst then asks the end user to activate FastPass on the end user's PC at the logon screen. When turned on, the IVC client acknowledges that the end user is actually at the usual PC. For this user, the login time is the usual, the PC is the user's own, and the location is also the usual. Hence, we're already at 50% proofing. The user is asked about the mobile number, and if the user has access to the phone, an SMS PIN code is sent to the end user's device. The different authentication types presented depends on the end user's group membership and at the data available. After receiving the SMS PIN code from the end user, the proofing is at 90%. The next question in this example is about the user's last logon time. The analyst must ask the user and assess if the answer is suspicious or not. Now we're at 100%. The user is successfully identified. FastPass sends a temporary password to the end user and the user can log in. The process is audited and the analyst needs no special rights in Active Directory. Contact FastPass if you want to know more about IVC.